No, respectable audience, I have a question for you. 14 divided by 7 divided by 7 divided by 14. To solve this, we have to make two parentheses. 14 divided by 7 in first parentheses, and fraction is converted into division, and 7 second parentheses will have 7 divided by 14. So it's simple. 14 divided by 7 will be equal to 2 divided by, this can be written as 7 by 14. Okay, now 7 1s and 7 2, these are cancellation. So 2 divided by, it is 1 by 2. Now we apply KCF rule, which is, what is KCF? KCF mean keep the first one, change the second one, flip the third one. So we have to keep the first one mean 2 as it is. C mean change, divine is changed into multiplication, and flip the third one, which is 1 by 2, we have to flip, it will be 2. So 2 times 2 will be equal to 4, hence 4 will be our answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.